Hey friends, today I'm sharing my top 10 self-defense tools that are not only practical but also super easy to carry and use. Whether you're walking alone at night, traveling, or just want to feel safer, these items are total game changers. Plus, a few of them are on sale right now, so it's a great time to snag them. And don't forget to check out the links below for the best deals. Let's dive in. This is a 3-in-1 powerhouse that combines maximum strength pepper spray, CS military tear gas, and a UV marking dye. It's compact, comes with a handy belt clip, and offers up to 35 bursts, enough to handle multiple threats. Quick access makes it a top pick for personal protection. For those who want something realistic yet non-lethal, this Glock replica is a great option. It's powerful, durable, and perfect for practicing self-defense techniques. A must-have for safety enthusiasts. This isn't your regular pen. It's a self-defense tool, flashlight, glass breaker, and bottle opener all in one. Plus, it comes with extra refills and batteries, ideal for EDC everyday carry enthusiasts. Designed by women for women, this safety alarm is loud enough to deter attackers. With a strobe light and a variety of cute colors, it's both functional and stylish. Perfect for students, joggers, and anyone on the go. Don't underestimate this sleek, compact keychain. It doubles as a Kubotan, designed to help you protect yourself in dangerous situations. It's lightweight, discreet, and easy to carry anywhere. This extendable baton is built tough for self-defense. Whether you're home or exploring new places, it's a reliable tool to help you feel secure. Its durable design makes it a standout choice. This 2-in-1 kit is a game changer. It includes a powerful pepper spray with a flip-top safety for quick use and a stun gun with a bright flashlight to fend off threats. It's rechargeable and easy to carry. Definitely a must-have. More than just a knife, this is your go-to survival tool. It includes pliers, a can opener, screwdrivers, and more. Compact and functional, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday preparedness. Stay safe indoors with this super loud door-stop alarm. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for home, travel, or dorm safety. It works as both an alarm and a door jammer for added peace of mind. This sleek bracelet doubles as an emergency escape tool. With a tungsten carbide bead to shatter windows and a hidden handcuff key, it's an ingenious self-defense solution that's always with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and hit that bell so you never miss out. All the links to these awesome self-defense tools are in the description below. Stay safe and see you next time.